welcome back to my channel. My name is Marrol. If you're new here, hello, welcome. Thanks for joining me today. And if you're not new here, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate you. Today I kind of want to do like a fall cranberry, burnt orange type of situation. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna start with my face though. I've already got my skincare and my brows on, so we'll jump right into the good stuff. I'm taking my Kaja Catnap Under Eye Brightener. If you're new here and want to know what I did use on my skincare, it's literally in every other video before this. I just decided to do it first today. Next, I'm taking my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye, and just the tiniest amount. Next, I'm going to take my NYX Cosmetics. Oh, this is all dirty. NYX Cosmetics Born to Glow foundation or concealer in the shade Vanilla. This is very messy all of a sudden. Next, we're going in with our bronzer. We're taking our Tower 28 Bronzino in West Coast. I haven't used this one in so very long. Next, we're taking our ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Hydrating Foundation. I have this one in the shade Light 50W. For some reason, I have an urge to put it on with this brush and then blend it out after with my sponge. So we're gonna do it. A little deep for me, but we're gonna go with it. And now we're just gonna go back over with some bronzer. I mean, do I really need more bronzer? Yes. I mean, probably no, but we're gonna do it anyways. Okay. We're gonna go in with some highlight now. I'm taking this little mini Nudies All Over Face Dewy Color Blush in the shade Sweet Peach Peony, and I'm just kind of decanting it onto my hand here, warming it up a bit as well. Oh wait, I usually do powder first, derp. I'm gonna take, before that cream, I'm gonna take this old ass Becca one, Champagne Pop Mineral Blush. It's like a duo. The highlight is completely gone, but I still have blush. I'm gonna just add some color. Now we're gonna go back in with the Sweet Peach Peony from Nudestix. Now I'm gonna set my under eyes. It's like I forget what I'm doing kind of, but I do this like every day. Anyways, taking my Pat McGrath under eye powder, I'm gonna set the under eyes quickly, and maybe T-zone area. I look a bit shiny. Okay, now we're gonna go in with our highlight, and I wanted to do the Makeup by Mario highlight, but I wanted to apply it with a sponge because I feel like the warmth from my hands kind of took off the underneath product last time I used this. So I will kind of like get it nice and activated and then put it on the back of my hand, warm it up here, and then go in with the sponge and do it like that and see what the heck happens. It gets very, very sticky. Ooh. Yeah, that's how I'm doing that for now on. Okay, yeah, that's looks exactly the way I wanted it to look, so that's great news. Great news for me. All right, wow, I am obsessed with the application of that highlight with a beauty sponge. 10 out of 10 recommend. I'm gonna jump in with some eyeshadow here. I am gonna use the Saharan II by Juvia's Place today. It just has like the perfect colors that were in my mind. So yeah, that's the palette. That's what we're using today. I am very excited. We are gonna jump in with this one right here. This like nice deep burnt orange. This is called Taza. I'm going to focus this on like the crease and like higher crease a bit. Now we're going to go in with this shade right here, which is called Zohra, and we're packing that onto the lid. I feel like this is going to turn out into kind of like a halo eye situation, which I'm stoked about. Now I'm taking this first brush that we used with Taza and just blending in the crease. Now I'm going to take a pale skin tone shadow. I'm going to take My Whole Heart from the Raw Beauty Christy palette. Just love this shadow for what it does. Now I'm going to take a clean brush. I think it's clean, yeah. And I'm tapping into Taza, which is the burnt orange. And now we're going to go in with Nomad, which is the very center shadow. And we're going to put that right in the middle of the lid. Wow, that looks really pretty. Got some fallout from that shadow, but all the other ones didn't have any fallout, which is great. Okay, we're going to do the same thing to the other eye. I'll be right back. Alright, those are the eyes. I am loving it. Absolutely. I don't think I'm going to put any liner on today. We're going to leave it at that. I'm going to pop on some lashes, and we'll be right back. Alright, lashes are on, and these are stunning. These are my Allure by Arsh lashes in Ayesha. They're so freaking pretty. I am going to tightline my lash lines though, because they're looking a little bit just like stark white. So we're gonna tightline our lash lines, and I'm using this Huda Beauty Life Liner Extreme Black. All right, eyes are all finished. We are going to line our lips and put on some lipstick now. I'm going to take Rosewood from Ben Nye. Now we're going to take Rum Punch by Tarte, just like this little mini lipstick. It's like a light nude. I haven't felt this like done up in a while. Lips are on. Now it's just time for some setting spray. I feel like this look just calls for Charlotte Tilbury. I don't know why, but that's what I'm feeling. So that's what we're using. Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I'm going to just take my beauty sponge and pat over any areas that I feel like I drenched. So basically my whole face. Right, you guys, this is today's final look. I absolutely love the way that it turned out. I think the eyes are so pretty. It's probably one of my favorite looks that I've done in quite some time. My nose here is super itchy. That is something I do. If my face is itchy when I have makeup on, I just take my setting powder brush and itch the shit out of it. Very gently, but it gets the job done. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you maybe got inspired to do some fun makeup, because makeup is fun, dude. If you want to see more videos from me, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. and share the video to your people if you want. I would love that. Here is my Instagram handle if you want to check me out there. And yeah, I think that's all I've got to say for now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.